everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I am going to be working with my natural hair. I have been avoiding my natural hair for a long time now. So as you can see, I have my natural hair out today. I washed and deep conditioned and blow dried it out yesterday in preparation for some clip-ins from CurlsQueen. Why are you trying to press your hair out in the summertime, girl? What about the humidity? Don't you live in Georgia? Yes, I do. But like all naturals who use heat or who press their natural hair, I am on the quest to see if one day somebody is gonna make a product that's gonna keep a press out pressed. That's gonna keep your hair straight. I used a couple of different products. I used this Farewell Frizz, and then I used a combination of bonding oil. Instead of Olaplex, I used CurlsSmith, and I use this color Wow, right? So I have those products in my hair right now. The only thing I have to do is flat iron, and I haven't flat ironed yet because I want to check out the hair. And I figured, why not do it on video so you guys can see me unboxing it. Here's how the package came. It's so elegant, I love it. Inside the package, oh yeah. Listen, CurlsQueen has the best bonnet. I don't care. I love this bonnet so much. So you get a nice little package. Inside is like a tingle teaser type brush. It's very shiny, and my daughter will steal this from me. I know she will. She'll be so happy to see it. We got some additional clips for the clip-ins, and my favorite bonnet. My favorite bonnet. I love it because it's adjustable and reversible. So also included in my box, it's a nice little thank you card. Thank you, CurlsQueen. And some info. So let's get into the hair. So my clip-ins have come in this dust bag. And this is what I really wanted to see. I wanted to see the texture before I flat iron so I can know what level we're trying to get to. The hair. And it is a very nice and thick Coarse Yaki. And she's 18 inches. So I'm gonna do a light press, and I'm already in love because this has some weight to it. How much is this? How many grams is this? Two reasons why I'm excited to share these clip-ins is because I can't even remember when is the last time I wore straight clip-ins because I don't do my hair. My hair stays hidden under a bonnet or some braids or something because I'm trying to grow my hair out. When I flat iron this hair, something's gonna overtake me. And I don't even know what to predict or how I'm gonna feel. But I have been taking my vitamins, dagnabbit. I have been drinking all the water. I've been working out, I'm back in the gym. 2023 resolutions start in August. My hair vitamins, and plus I've been using my clove rosemary oil. I blew up my hair yesterday and I can feel the thickness. I can feel the thickness coming back in the root. But my ends, they still feel thin, which is crazy because I never wear my hair out, and I kind of do regular trim, so I don't know what exactly my problem is. And another reason why I'm excited is because I've never tried seamless clip-ins. If you never heard of seamless clip-ins, they're like the new tape-ins, but without all the commitment, right? So they are razor thin, super thin. So these are gonna go like right next to your scalp, and you're not gonna have any issues with blending. Comes with two 10 inches. So this is gonna wrap around my whole back of my head like that. Anyway, I'm excited because when I flat iron my hair gets a lot thinner and it makes me sad face. So I don't have to worry about that because I'm gonna go ahead and plop these clip-ins in my hair. But before I do that, let me go ahead and do a light press, and then I shall return.
Losing my grip, I need someone who can make me feel better. Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my pain with a kiss. Then suddenly you are here, inside my head everywhere. Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby, are you made of?
Okay, so I did a light flat iron, and just like what I always feel like the ends of my hair, even though I baby my hair, I don't know, you know, I know the ends of your hair are the longest. And you gotta make sure you baby them and all this junk. But they're so thin. I just want thick bluntness. Thick thick, blunt ends, all right? So that's what I'm going to be mimicking today, and these lovely clip-ons are going to be able to do that for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure the back of my head and figure out which one of these bad boys is gonna be the best. So I got the bundle set for a full head. So it comes with 2 10-inch wefts, 2 9-inch wefts, 2 7-inch wefts, 2 4-inch wefts, and 2 3-inch wefts. So I'm going to see what the 4-inch, this is probably gonna be the best length for the back of my head. Yes. Yes, it is.
Where did you come from? I'm wondering, baby. Are you made up of for real? Say, can you feel what I feel? 'Cause I can tell if I'm just dreaming. I wish I had a girl like you.
That is flat, y'all. It's kind of hard because I don't really know what I'm doing. I could have a mirror right here, but I don't have any mirror big enough for me to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and work my way up. And the closer I get to my ears is when I'm gonna start using the 10-inch weft. So these are really easy. You just pop, they just pop out like that. They just pop out and then you hook them in. Now I've seen people who have made this a completely protective style where they do cornrows or they braid the back of their hair up and then they attach the wefts to those braids, which is great if you don't have to worry about making sure that your hair blends to whatever texture clip-ins you have. But I'm not doing that because I really want to see how this hair adds thickness to my own natural lengths. So I'm gonna find the part and clip.
Wish I had a girl like you and I. Wish you could be real, but you're not really here and I don't wanna wake up without you. But tonight is gonna have to do. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you. If I'm gonna get with a girl like you, girl like you, girl like you.
So as I'm putting the clip-ins in, I'm also making sure that I'm not putting any, probably about right here. I want to like stop it about 2 inches away from my actual hairline so that I can move my hair back, or if I'm combing my hair, it's kind of awkward if you have one just jutting out right here. So I make sure that I don't put them very close to the hairline because that can also add stress to your hairline. And we trying to have some thick edges, right? Right.
You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, When I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right,
I think that's all I'm gonna put in. I have quite a few wefts left, so you have plenty for a full head install, but like I said, my hair is left out. So if you're going to use this as a protective style and have your hair braided up underneath it, you're probably gonna use the whole bundle. But I did not. And this is the thickness that I got. And it looks like my hair, it is the perfect texture, this Coarse Yaki. Because I flat ironed my hair lightly. I ain't no 400 degree. I don't need all that in my life. I'm trying to keep my strands. I'm trying to keep them thick. So I do have some unevenness, and that is your preference whether you are going to cut it to match your hair. I totally am, because I want the hair to look polished. So I'm going to flat iron it lightly again to blend, and then I'm gonna snip my ends just a tickle, just to give it a more uniform look.
Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she go harder like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah my thing, yeah my thing, yeah my thing, yeah my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, baby, do you know if you're ready?
So this is how natural my clip-ins look. It's a bit thick, but you don't have to put in as many wefts as I did. I put in all but 3. So because I didn't put any close to my edges, I could tuck my hair on the side if I want. I'll show you the back. This is my dream thickness. This is what I'm trying to get to, okay? This is what I'm trying to elevate my own hair to, and I don't know how to do that. And quiet as it's kept, I really prefer this. I have always loved the look of sew-ins, but then you have to commit to it. This way you put your clip-ins in. If you want to switch it out and change the texture, you can just put in a different set. And my hair is reverting a little bit, but honey, when it gets a little chill in the air, tell me this don't look like I can roll this myself. So that's it. That's how I got this Kenya Moore look. Cause does that look like what she be wearing? That girl be wearing some clip-ins, I think. There's nothing wrong with adding a little zhuzh with some wefts. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. All the information about these beautiful clip-ins from CurlsQueen will be in the description box below, and I will talk to you guys